at sunrise, before a single kitchen turns on its lights. Another day begins at Migali. For 70 years, American hands have opened these doors. Craftsmen who take pride in what they create and the name it carries. At Migali, American heritage meets cutting-edge innovation. Robotic precision shapes stainless steel into form and function, while skilled assembly teams bring every detail to life, ensuring each product embodies reliability, durability, and care. Every screw tightened, every refrigeration line brazed, every circuit board tested, every unit validated under the Migali quality guarantee, not because it's required, but because it's who we are. The Migali way. In our test labs, each product is pushed harder than any kitchen will ever demand. Only when it withstands every trial does it earn the right to carry our name. And when a finished unit rolls out of our factory, it carries more than cooling or cooking power. It carries decades of American workmanship and a quiet promise that it will just work, day after day, year after year. So you, the chef, can focus on your craft, not the equipment. Because behind every great restaurant, a Migali product is there. Steady, silent, dependable. From the beginning of our 70-year history, we set out to build an imperishable reputation, a legacy of American engineering, craftsmanship, and excellence. A legacy called Migali.